This is a Benimar Benivan 144. This is a really interesting van because it's compact, it's good value, and yet it offers quite a lot. I'll take you for a wander around and explain exactly what I mean. Now, to start off with it, as I say, it's quite compact. It's actually just under 6 meters at 5.99, and it's based on the 140 horsepower Fiat van. Interesting fact about this, if you have manual transmission, it comes in white, and if you have auto, as we've got here today, then you get the grey one. So there you go. You can tell the difference. The 240 volt power plugs in just here. We've got the cassette for the toilet over here as well. There's solar panels on the top of this one as well, which is a nice touch. And if you come right on around the back, I'm going to show you in here first of all, actually, because this is quite interesting. What they've done here is they've put the bed across the back, like so. But what's neat is the fact that, first of all, you've got tie downs and the netting, so you can use this area underneath, but also you can see here how this is hinged. So this whole section here can lift up, and you see that little bit there? That is designed to go into that fella up there, and that means you can lift that up against the side, so if you want to put tall things in here like bikes, then you can do. So that's quite a nice idea. I'll show you a bit more of this obviously when we go inside, but just while we're at the back here, I'll just show you this, because as you probably worked out for yourself by the little logo on it, it's for gas bottles, and there is space for 2 of them. So that's rather good. Let's close that fella back up and leave it as I found it. These are these little tie downs, so you can secure your bikes or whatever else in the back there. Blinds on all the windows. I'll show you those again when we go on the inside. And that closes up like so. There we go. Let's head right on round. Water filler is here, and access is here. So we'll slide that fella open, and then we'll find a button here for the step. There we go. This is quite nice. This is a bug screen that comes out of here. So if you're someone that's got a few bugs, you can have the door open and not have them coming in. And another nice thing is they've put a light, you can see it along here, which is excellent. Let's head on in. Now this one travels with 4 and sleeps 2. So if we come right to the front, we've got the swiveling seats here, of course. As I mentioned, automatic transmission on this one, 9-speed, very nice. And as we come on back, we've got the nice bits of lighting about the place, as you can see. Skylight in the centre. These have all got bug screens and night screens, and in fact, talking of night screens, I want to show you these, because given this is a low priced van, you don't often find this, but this has actually got all the built-in blinds like this. So that comes up, and obviously there we go, it fills in that window there, and you've got one, you can just see it in the centre there going across for the windscreen. So it has got the proper blinds in it as well. As I say, not a given at this price point. Opening windows, of course. This is quite interesting. This table here, well, first of all, there's an extending section, so you can bring that out. But you see how it clips into this track here? And that means that you can put it out here, because they put another track there. So if you're doing a bit of outside catering, you can put a little table out there. That's excellent. And another thing you can do with this is you can extend this section. So there's a piece here that comes out underneath to support it. A little bit more space. Very good. I mentioned it travels with 4. You've got seat belts here. So obviously 2 people here and 2 people at the front. There's bits of storage, as you'd expect, all the way around. But another thing that they've done here is they've put a power socket and an aerial socket up here. So if you want to have a TV on this wall, then you can do. And if we spin all the way around, we will discover the operating system. So this is giving us things like battery levels for the domestic battery and for the engine batteries. We've got there water tank level, we've got lighting override, main switch on and off, temperature, water system, all that's controlled from there, and that one there is the central heating. There we go. Come on back a little bit further. More storage about the place like this. Given it's a pretty compact van, they've got a lot into this actually. And then here we've got the sink underneath here, and we've got the 2-burner hob, and this one's also got the oven and the grill down underneath there. So that's very good. More storage. as you'd expect in places like this. So that's down there, and a big one across the bottom. And then over here, a bit more storage in that one, and above that we have the fridge. There we go, which is a pretty good size for a van. Excellent. And then back here, of course, this is the area that we saw when we opened the back doors. So that is the thing I was mentioning, that this whole section will clip into if you want it to. Storage, of course, in all of these areas. We've got the blinds that come up over the windows there, curtains as well, interestingly. And then this comes all the way around. We've got reading lights back here, which are nice, but also these have got USBs in them, so good for charging your phone up. It's a decent area, isn't it? Very nice. And then if we track back a little bit further, we will find the bathroom. There we go. All fairly simple and straightforward. We've got the loo here and the shower here. It's all pretty self-evident, isn't it? There we are. Very good. Very good. And that, my friends, I think is about the size of that. It's a fairly simple van. It's quite a low cost van, comparatively speaking, but yet they have got quite a lot into it. I think it's very impressive. There we go. I'm going to take a seat here. I'm going to say thank you to Marquis, who've organised this tour, and huge thanks, of course, to you guys for watching it. Let me know what you think of that one, and we'll catch you on one of these real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.